Hi, this is Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. We handle divorce cases all throughout California, and I want to talk to you today about why you don't want to do your own divorce in California. Now, I've written plenty of articles on the fact that you can do your own divorce, which you can. But this article is going to tell you about the pitfalls. This video, rather, is going to talk to you about the pitfalls of trying to do your own divorce in California. Now, the reason I say trying is because a lot of people try and a lot of people fail, and I want to let you know what you're up against and some of the things you're going to find. So, again, yes, you can do your own divorce, technically. Doing your own divorce and actually completing it successfully are two entirely different things. So let's talk about some of the downsides. Number one, you're not in the industry, you're not in the business of doing divorce. I'm sure you have a career, something you do very well at, something that I don't know how to do, and I wouldn't attempt to do your job, so you shouldn't attempt to do mine. Number two, and these are in no particular order, the divorce forms are tricky. This kind of goes back to number one. You're not going to understand the process, you're not going to understand the forms, you're not going to understand the procedure. Some of it is easy to understand, but most of it is very difficult, and the forms only get harder, meaning you may be able to file your summons and petition, the initial paperwork. It's not that difficult. You may serve it correctly. You may do your financial forms correctly, but if you get through all of that, you have your final judgment and agreement to prepare, and that's where people have the most trouble. Most people have their judgments rejected multiple times. We're talking 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And I know this because people come to us after attempting to do their divorce on their own, and they just can't get it through the system. And they've spent years, months of frustration, thinking they've saved themselves money. Really, what they've done is spent probably more time working on their case where they could have earned additional income through their business. Maybe they spend time in the evenings on the weekend, or after work, or in the self-help centers, trying to complete their divorce, and to no avail, ultimately just having to hire us. Had they hired us from the beginning, their case would have been finalized long ago. So those are the main reasons why we don't suggest you file your own divorce or attempt to do your own case in California. Give us a call. We can get your case completed quickly, painlessly, and affordably. We work on a flat fee basis. You can go to Divorce661.com, go to our pricing page, take a look at our affordable pricing. It's all fixed fee. It's all based on the amount of work we're going to have to do. Everything is up front as far as the cost. There's no hidden fees, and we take care of everything. Preparing your documents, taking them to court and filing them, serving them, financial disclosures, preparing your final judgment, which is everything. We're talking about parenting plan, custody, visitation, child support, spouse support, property order, who's getting what, and we can help you work with all of that. Now, you may ask, how do we file it with court if we're in Los Angeles, let's say, and you are in Sacramento? Not a problem. We have cases all over California. We can help you file your case. We do a lot of it over the phone and fax. We do not use questionnaires. If you look around online, you'll find that people use questionnaires and make you do all the work. That's not what we do. We'll fill out all the forms. We'll use a phone appointment to get the documents done, email them to you. If you're out of the area, you can sign them, send them back to us, and we'll file them with the court by mail. We have the process very streamlined. Again, it's very affordable. Please go to our website. The link is below. Feel free to click on that. You can get more information about an article I wrote on if you should do your own divorce, more on the positive side. And then you can be on our blog and get all the additional resources and information on how we can help you prepare your divorce. Tim Blankenship, Divorce661.com. We handle divorce cases all throughout California. Call me direct, 661-281-0266. I look forward to helping you with your divorce. Thanks for watching.